Hello, children. Good to see all of you. Good to see have all the online children too. We welcome you. And today I want to speak about God works all things for our good. Okay? So, children, I'm going to show you some really, really small zoomed pictures. Okay, on the screen. You will watch these pictures and you'll have to guess what it is. So, all children be ready and watch very closely. Some pictures will be put up for you. You don't need to say something, you just watch them. Next. 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 So all you children have guessed what it is? So they were very strange looking things, no? You don't understand. Very difficult to understand. It's so strange. Very small parts, very confusing and very hard to understand. Right? So same way it is with our lives. We see a very small picture. And sometimes it becomes so difficult to understand why this is happening to me, why that is happening to me. It's very difficult to understand. So now we see what these small pictures are. So again, you can show the small picture. Okay? You have guessed what this is? Yes. So this is, you can see right now it doesn't look very nice. It looks something pokey and nice, like some small bugs, you know. But when you see, you cannot see the bigger picture. But now you see the bigger picture of this. Yes. It's a sunflower, the inside. Some, I think, got it right. Okay? Okay, the next picture. Oh, very good. Yeah. Sometimes it looks like some eyes are looking at you, poking at you, you know. But you see the bigger picture? Ah, it's a peacock feathers. Okay? It's a peacock feathers. How beautiful. Next one. Very strange. Uh, yeah, it looks like a rough, some rug type of a thing. Yes. Can you see the bigger picture? Oh, so nice. No? Yeah, wonderful. Next. Ah. What is this? Very difficult to guess. Huh? Yellow shirt. Okay. Okay, we'll see the bigger picture. Yeah. Oh. So to children, as when we see a small part, it's very difficult to, very confusing and difficult to understand what it is. So in our lives, when something happens to us, we see only a small part of it. We don't see the bigger picture. But God sees the bigger picture. Always God is seeing the bigger picture and He knows it's good. Like we saw those sunflower, the inner roll, it is so pokey and all. So same way we see some situations are so pokey and troubling. And we say, what is happening in my life? It is not good for me. But God sees the bigger picture. Oh, it's a beautiful sunflower. Okay? Which always faces the sun. It moves and sways in the wind no matter what happens. He always sees a bigger picture, and that is a good one, right? We saw the next one were eyes. So sometimes we see there are eyes always watching over us, bad eyes who want to trouble us, do something to us in school. There are bullies who and colleges who want watching how they can, make us do something wrong and trouble us. And we are so afraid sometimes. But remember, God sees the bigger picture. He always sees the bigger part, that picture, that thing will work for your good. Okay, so God always sees a bigger picture. And we'll open to Romans chapter 8. All children, open your Bibles to Romans chapter 8, verse 28. This is a very well-known verse, but it's very hard to believe it sometimes. Very hard to believe that God works all things together for our good. As we sang today also, for His glory and my good. So no matter how pokey the situation will look, no matter how many fires are put around us, no matter which bullying eyes are troubling us, but God will work all things for your good. We'll read this. And we know that God causes all things to work together for good to those who love God and to those who are called according to His purpose. So, my dear children, believe that God always sees a bigger picture. Though we may see the smaller pictures and get troubled, but don't be troubled. Trust in Jesus, for He sees the bigger picture, and that is for your good. So I'd like to give you one small example of Joseph. We heard so much from Brother Kiran of Joseph's life, the full of Joseph's life. You see, from the time he was small, he was dreaming, and his own brothers were making fun of him, mocking him, and troubling him. His own brothers. At that time, Joseph must be feeling so bad about the whole thing. He couldn't see the big picture. He didn't know what was going to happen. So from the time he was small till the time he went to Egypt and in Pharaoh's, till the time he becomes second in command, he was all the way troubled by all different people who came across his life. Then he came to Potiphar's wife. Potiphar's wife troubled him and harassed him. Then he went to jail. In the jail, there were people, the cupbearer and all that. So much he had to go through. He thought they will remember him and he'll come out fast. But no, he didn't come out fast. He was there stuck altogether. But he didn't know that all these situations were taking him to a higher place. A place God had prepared for His glory and Joseph's good. So same way, when we go through difficult situations in our life, we don't need to worry. We don't need to get afraid. We don't need to fear. But we need to humble ourselves and give all God the glory. Humble ourselves in that situation, and then God will work those things for our good. There is one more verse I would like to share. Joseph's in Genesis chapter 50. Verse 20, it said that everybody planned for his evil, but God worked for his good. Verse 20, as for you, you meant evil against me, but God meant it for good. Okay? So God is always doing things for our good. One more thing we can see in, when the children of Israel were led from Egypt into the wilderness, they went through a very hard time. Very hard time. Different testings were there. We see that also in Deuteronomy chapter 8, verse 16. Chapter 8, verse 16. In the wilderness, He fed you with manna which your fathers did not know, that He might humble you and that He might test you to do good for you in the end. To do good for you in the end. So ultimately, God is doing everything for your good. So my dear children, don't be disheartened when anything pokey and bad is happening. Things are not working according to your wish. It's not working according to what you have planned. Don't be upset, because God is working all things for your good. So learn to trust Jesus, and God bless you all.